Hello everyone, this is Gayatri, and in this content we will see how to create a Java doc. So before starting to create Java doc, we will just know what is exactly a Java doc. Java doc is an added feature or added tool which is available from JDK 7 onwards. If we will use the lower version of Java, or if we are someone who are still using the lower version of Java, Java doc feature will not be available. Fine, so at least we need JDK 7 or upgraded version of Java. Then only we can avail this feature. The beauty of this feature is automatically we can see the documentation of our code, whatever we wrote in Eclipse editor. For the complete project, we can create the Java doc. Now, how can we create a Java doc? Let me select a project. Here, one particular package is there, day1 package, and one Java class is there. Now, for this, I am trying to create a Java doc. Now, I need to select the project, and from this, I can see one project menu here. I have to click on project menu. Now, generate Java doc. Now, here you can see javadoc.exe application is already there, which will get configured. After this, one auto generated doc repository will be getting created. Here you can see /doc. Now let me click on finish. I have to enable the particular project over here, so my project has already been enabled, Java content 1. Now let me click on finish. Fine. So now we can see the extra repository added automatically with our project. For example, this doc repository. Now let us expand it. Here you can see few HTML files, and here we can see index.html file, and this is what the class, and these are all the methods: static method, void method. So, and static method, main method is also static method, so it is also listed over here. Now separate methods are also there. Fine. So yeah, so this is what the beauty of Java doc, and this is the way we can create and access the Java doc. If we have used some system defined method and we need to know what is the exact meaning of that method. Fine. So what we need to do, we need to click on the method so that it will take us to, for example, here main method. Fine. So probably internet is not there. So that is the reason this oracle.com site is not getting connected. So, but in case you are well connected with a network, it will work. It will directly go to the Oracle site and give you the proper explanation of that particular method. So this is all about the Java doc. Thank you so much. I hope this video is helpful for all.